Hello and welcome back to my channel, which is Leap Our Life, and I am your host and host, psychologist Mishika Sethi. I hope you must have watched my earlier videos, which were on forgiveness, fear, and breaking the ice within families. If yes, and you have done something about it, then do tell me by emailing me or by commenting down. So, let's start today's video by playing a small interesting game. I'll say a word and you have to speak out loud whatever the first thing that comes to your mind. Okay? And the word is trust. Okay, time's up. So what was the word that came to your mind? Was it your mother's name, your father's name, your siblings, your friend, or your teddy bear, or something or someone? That must be interesting, right? So, my today's topic is belief in yourself. How many of you thought of yourself when I said trust? None of you, right? Why? See, trust is something that brings you very close to someone like family and friends, and it also ensure you that they'll be there in the time of need or whenever you need them. Trust is the first brick of the foundation that a relationship is built on, and the relationship that is built with you or yourself, you need to trust yourself also. Trusting yourself makes you confident. It helps you in taking decisions and even reduces your stress level. I am not saying this has been proved by many of the psychologists and their findings. Okay, you need to trust yourself. But how? How can you trust yourself? There are very simple ways which can help you in building the trust within yourself. First is be yourself. You don't need to act someone else in front of others. They won't judge you. Or even if they do, that's their job. Let them do it. But you be yourself. Second, set reasonable goals. Okay. My work is to complete a portrait in, I say, 1 month, and I set my goal that I can complete it in half the month. That's a reasonable goal, right? And making goals can help you to increase your motivation. Even increasing motivation, and set small goals. Take baby steps so that you can reach to your final goal. Third way, be kind to yourself. Reinforce yourself. Suppose you have done a very great job in this whole week. You have met all your assignments, all your tick marks and everything. So reinforce yourself. Take yourself out and treat yourself with a burger party or a pizza party or something. Self-motivate yourself. You don't need other persons to come and tell you, oh my God, you have done such a great work. That should be just the adding up source of the motivation, not the mere source of motivation, right? Fourth way is build on your strengths. No one is perfect. No one can excel in each and every area of life, right? So, you know that you are good at dancing or painting or anything, then enhance your skills on that. Take classes and do everything that enhances your skills. The fifth way is spend time with yourself. And how you can do that? I'll tell you. Sit down for 5 to 10 minutes in a peace, calmful environment. Just concentrate on your breathing and analyze yourself. Okay, tell me, give me a person's name who is constant with you from your birth till now, except your family, except your mother or father or sibling. Anyone? No, right? But you yourself. You are the constant person that you are with yourself from the birth till date. So, you must be knowing yourself much better than anyone else. Which is your weakness, which is your strength. So, just sit down in a calmful environment and analyze yourself. And tell yourself, yes, I did this very good today. No, I'll do this better tomorrow. And do it on your daily basis. It will definitely help you. The sixth way is be decisive. If you have taken a decision, be firm on it. Do not let anyone else come and manipulate you. I know, taking decisions may go wrong sometimes when you trust yourself. But the things will go wrong for surely when you don't trust yourself. So just believe in yourself, have faith, and keep some patience. The life will do good with you. Okay, I'll end this video with a very beautiful quote that I came across today. It is given by a British philosopher named Bertrand Russell. He famously said that the problem of this whole world is that fools and fantastics are just so certain of themselves, and the wiser people are just so doubtful. Just be the person who comes in the list of wiser people. Don't be doubtful of yourself and believe in yourself with some patience, because you have to walk on your feet. No one is going to come and teach you how to do that. So, thank you for giving me your ears today. I'll take a goodbye now, but I'll come again with another interesting topic next time. By then, you can contact me at my email ID, which is mishika20sethi@gmail.com, or by commenting down.